All right, hey guys, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Okay, let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, wrong stream, guys, straight up. Okay, but if you're looking to learn how to trade these forex markets the right way, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. What's up, you guys? I hope y'all are doing well. I hope y'all had a good London session. I was on the session, but I wasn't really trading it. But Cash told me that it was pretty decent for you guys, which is nice. Okay, and I'm gonna just start to share my screen in a quick second. Okay, caffeine's in. Let's get this, you guys. Okay, share screen. Okay, you guys should be able to see my screen now. Please let me know when y'all do. Chat, what's up, chat? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? Good morning, Alpha D, Jen, Kyle, Parth, Zero, Aaron, Kurt, Emily. What's up, you guys? Good morning. Quite a few good mornings over here. Awesome. Okay, so let's get right into the charts. All right, so for you guys on YouTube, welcome to Forex Trading. Okay, so we're scalpers. We scalp the 5-minute time frame. We're pure price action technical traders. We don't really use anything too much. Our style of trading is the most basic, but it's also the most effective. Okay, so all we do is we scalp these markets zone to zone. We mark our support, resistance, supply, demand, and we trade break of structure regions. Okay, so this is what I have on the dirty right now. US 30, as you guys can see, solid sell off on the dirty. Okay, so I was in on a feeler on the sell all the way from this rejection, held through all of that, and it was just a feeler, so I was okay even if it got stopped out at break even. But I've been in on this trade since London, pretty much. Okay, and just a small little feeler on the sells. I am expecting some buyers to step back in now, and I'm thinking of pulling it out. All right, it doesn't really matter. It's giving me more than $100 at this point, and who am I to say no to 100, right? Okay, so I'm probably gonna pull that out because I do reckon that we're gonna get some buyers to step in from here. Okay, let's take a look at the RSI. The RSI is beginning to go oversold, so maybe we still could push down. It's a possibility. Let's also take a look at the EMAs. All right, so currently we're below the 200. We're below the 9, and maybe if we start to break this 9 and pick back up, just maybe, we could have the buy position stepping in right here. Okay, and then we can most likely buy into supply and sort of see how that move wants to play out. Okay, so that's dirty. Nasty, currently distributing some orders. All right, I am seeing the start of some bearish divergence come into these bullish divergence come into these markets as well. Okay, so if we want to go bullish, maybe if we break that early level, we could get a little bit of a push. There is going to be some traffic that's going to come here, but if we break past that, we could sail up there, no problem. Okay. And naturally, if the sells want to kick in, you're going to want to break your demand zone down here. Okay. Okay, so this is Nasdaq and this is US 30 gold. All right, so I have some levels marked out on gold as well. Nice sell-off that came into gold. Okay, and as you guys can see, we had a solid wick that kicked back up from here. Y'all know what this wick represents? I'm guessing my one-on-ones are probably saying it in their heads now, but yes, it does represent demand. Okay, so um, we have some buyers, we have some demand that's picked up from here. Let's see, let's see. Okay, now if this is demand, where did the sellers kick in from? Right from here, right? So naturally, that's going to become our supply. Okay, now I do like this region here for the buys in case they want to push up, but closing the market open, I want to see how we sort of react to this demand down here, and maybe if we start to push back up, I'll start to layer my positions. Okay. Got about 4 more minutes to market open, but it looks pretty darn bearish right now. I'm not gonna lie, okay? Also, I'm gonna introduce something new to you guys today. We have, okay, so I'm gonna unveil it to you guys, but we officially have our first, um, I don't like the term indicator, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, so check this out. This is the Forex Scalper Pro. All right, and this is just an aggregate of all the values. We're gonna have overbought and oversold levels that just basically show up on our chart right here. Okay, so red stands for oversold, green stands for overbought, and and these are all the time frames as you guys can see. Okay, so I currently have US 30 loaded on Nasdaq, Gold, GU, EU. Okay, so it just saves us some time. And please, by no means is it a hack or is it going to give you any sort of signals, because you guys know I am 100% against that. But we had a lovely member that actually came up and who's really good at this, and they coded this for us. So big shout out, Lenny. Great going, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate you. And yeah, it makes us really happy to see that our community is here, growing with us and just supporting us in every way possible. Okay, so this is lovely. Okay, so now we don't really have to switch over to all the time frames to actually see overbought and oversold levels. We can use the Forex Scalper Pro as an added confluence to our overall buy break of structure for the buys or sells. Okay, so currently, just to break down how this would work to you guys, the only thing that's overbought or oversold is US 30 on the 5 minutes, and we're overbought on the daily. Okay, so this could tell us that the bigger picture on the daily tells us that we want to go overbought, so this may be a potential fake out for the oversold levels. Okay, that was just to give you guys a little bit of an idea as to how we're going to use the Forex Scalper Pro in our trading style moving forward. Okay, and it's not something we're going to have on all the time. You guys know it, but we're only going to use these as added confluences. Okay, again, shout out to Lenny. Thank you, my man. Appreciate you. Could you tell what the numbers represent? Overbought and oversold levels. You see this, right? 70, 30. At this time on the dirty, we're oversold because we're below the 30. And as you can see, if I open up the Scalper Pro, it's going to show us the exact same thing in red. Okay, so this for now tells us that the sells are there short term, but look at the overall daily. All right, the overall daily is overbought. So if I switch over to the daily time frame, it's going to show us that we're somewhere in this region. Okay. Yes, from the RSI. From the RSI. Okay. Awesome. All right, let's get this going. We've got, how many minutes do we have to mark it open? We've got a minute to mark it open. Okay, guys, I'm not expecting one of those crazy ass sessions today. Why? Because we've got news that's going to be out in the next couple of hours. Okay, so if we do get some pips, we're going to grab them. If not, it's all good. Okay, I'm personally going to be trading. Excuse me, give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I'm personally going to be trading FOMC later today. Small trades, but it's all good. It's all good. Okay, I'm not stressing about it. If we get some moves, we get some moves. If we don't, it is what it is. Okay? Wait for the first candle to pass, you guys. This could be erratic. It could be all over the place, or it could just completely be a dud. Okay? Another reason as to why we have the Forex Scalper Pro is in case we don't have something charted up, right? And if we're missing on a potential opportunity, Cash and I, by looking at the Forex Scalper Pro, will definitely be able to give you, just switch over to that chart real quick and give you guys a quick analysis and a quick potential opportunity, okay? Sells for gold down here in case they want to break through. All right, gold is currently at 33. market open. Okay, let's see if we want to start going oversold on gold and start a push down further. If not, we're going to start to pick up buyers from here, and we could potentially start to get in on some buys up in this region. I didn't get the Forex Scalper Pro on indicator because it's not available for you guys. It's our company's. Okay, it's for us to use. Okay. Alright, so Nasdaq, a little bit of a fake out, no proper confirmation. So what I am going to do at this time, because we've identified this, is adjust this level. Let the buys kick in, let the buys kick in. They're coming through. Okay. Nasty as well, US 32. Okay, a little bit of an impulse. Let's go, let's get it. Okay, if they want to close, retest, reject, and push higher, that could be the potential move. Gold is only an impulse pushing down. Nasdaq is pushing, attempting to push up as well. I'm not in on anything right now. I'm watching. Okay, guys, listen. I realize what's coming up in the next couple of hours. All right, that being said, I realize these markets can be choppy right now. Okay, so let them make their moves. I'm going to take my safer entries today, and I'm going to get in on the retest and the rejection, okay? If you guys are in right now, small lots, don't be using more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Boom, look at that. Everything's ringing off. Look at the dirty, man. Look at the dirty, okay? I'm waiting. I'm not going to FOMO into this. Trust me, all right? These markets can test me as much as they like, but I'm not FOMOing into this. But any of you guys, anyone in on the buys? Solid candle on this. All right, so now I want to take a quick second. And I want you guys to know what we read through with the Forex Scalper, right? Does anyone remember what we said? We just avoided a potential fake out thanks to our Forex Scalper Pro. I hope you guys now see how this could possibly work in our favor, right? Even though we had oversold levels that were kicking in on the lower time frame, the higher time frame right off of our chart gave us a good idea that it potentially is a fake out. And what do? Boom, they picked up buyers from demand. All right, beautiful. Let's see what they want to do. Don't FOMO into this now, okay? We've already reached our BOS, so you'll need to realize that there's going to be some supply that's going to kick in here. I'm waiting for the first candle to close. What a monster candle. Tell me about it, man. Fucking crazy. I told you these markets are going to be excuse me, these markets are going to be erratic today, okay? That candle, that buy is a solid 135 pip buy. 135 pips on that goddamn candle. Insane, man. Okay, I like the buy stepping in on... I just saw a pop. Nasdaq starting to go oversold. Okay, I like the buy stepping in over here, potentially. Oof, look at that, man. Caught 71 pips on that. Insane, Mills, my man. Congratulations. And Nasty is tanking. All right, I'm in on Nasdaq. Small position, nothing too big. I'm going to wait for this candle to close, and that's when I'm going to sort of look to get into any bigger positions, okay? But I'm waiting for this candle to close. We'll wait for a potential retest, and we'll see, okay? I'm going to be trigger finger on this, you guys, in case Nasdaq wants to push down. Everything's working out right now, all right? Just letting you guys know. If these buys want to continue, we've got to close up above there, and Nasdaq looks good for the sells. US 30, gold starting to push down. It's looking good, all right? We've got moves that are playing out across the board right now. Take whatever you guys want, and just be smart about it, okay? I'm having the indices open for you guys. Actually, gold looks good too. I'm not gonna lie, man. Looks goddamn nice. Okay, but looking at this volume, We've got to stick with this, okay? Now let's expect a little bit of a retest, just a little bit. This closed below. I want you guys to know that it did not close above our break of structure. Can it create a higher high? Yes, absolutely it can. Should it create a higher high based off of price action? No, it shouldn't, okay? Let's see where this candle wants to push up to. I see it coming potentially here. Small moves today, okay, you guys? Y'all don't want to be getting in on anything big and fat. Y'all just want to be taking it easy today. Trust me when I say this, okay? Because especially if you're going to be trading later in the day, you'll need to realize that y'all are going to have some really nice moves that come your way. Wow. All right. So thanks to news, my MetaTrader is not letting me take any sort of trades right now. Thanks to Market Open, it's just not letting me take no trades. Screw this. I was trying to get in on another position over here, but it looks like I'm gonna have to restart my MetaTrader. Give me a quick second. Made 5% on Nasdaq. That's crazy, man. Good on you. Okay, I'm in on this, guys. I'm in on this. Right on that candle break, this is my entry right here at 81, okay? At 81. All right, there you go. I'm running about 6 pips. 6 pips. I'm going to change this to break even because I don't like the momentum that we're picking, okay? I'm in about 2-3 pips at this point. I'm going to switch this up to break even real quick. Okay, I'm in on a break-even trade, guys. Break-even trade, and I'm running about 10 pips on Nasdaq. Come on, give it to me, man. Don't stop me out of break-even. Don't freaking do it. What's gold doing? There you go. Gold's trying to respect the Forex strategy as well, okay? We have a break, a retest, a rejection. Let's see if we want to break that previous structure and if we want to push lower. We're doing it right now. Beautiful move on gold as well. Textbook. Okay, I'm gonna look to pull out my 10 pips. I don't care, you guys. I don't want to be trading more in these markets, especially the way they're being right now. I'm running by about 8 pips. Come on, give it to me. Okay, I just pulled out 8 pips on. I pulled out 8 pips on Nasdaq. Okay, and I'm glad I did that because it would have stopped me out at break even. I pulled out 8 pips on $300 a pip. Boom! Who caught that with me? Who caught anything from here? Look at US 30. We're still pushing higher. Lovely, lovely, lovely move. Gold, a little choppy right now. I'm not seeing the momentum on gold to really push down. But if we happen to break that, man, if we happen to break that, boom, we're falling, we're hitting TP, and potentially coming down to this region as well. Okay. Look at that, nasty. Now the 5 minutes on Nasdaq has gone oversold. The 15 minutes is also trying to go oversold. Gold is oversold on the 5 minutes as well. Okay. So now you guys remember when I introduced the Forex Scalper Pro to you guys, right? Y'all remember what the values were? We were basically oversold on the 5 and overbought on the daily. Right now, because we picked up all of that momentum, we're now almost overbought on the 5 and we're definitely overbought on the daily. All right, I love this, man. This is so good. I have been wanting to get this done for the longest time. Ask Milzone, ask Cash. It's been a couple of months. I wanted our own Forex indicator, and I'm so glad it's here now. Okay, and this is only the start, guys. Trust me when I say this. We're not going to give you guys buy and sell signals, no. But we are going to make trading easier for you guys, and we're going to make trading easier the right way for y'all. All right, that's my word to you guys. This is why we're here every single day. We're not out here giving you guys buy and sell signals. We're here educating y'all, we're here teaching y'all, and we're here giving you guys value. All right, and best believe the better we get at this, the better setups you guys are going to get. Okay, and with Cash and I, we're just constantly growing every single day with these markets with you guys. Okay, so beautiful move on Goldie. All right, so even if you respected the entry exit forex strategy, you're still looking at a move that's about 16, 17 pips. Okay, 16 pips on gold. Nice move over there. I'm glad I pulled out my 8 pips because I don't need to trade no more. You know what I'm saying? I'm still up 300 times 8. Remove my commissions. Do the math, you guys. I'm still up. Okay, so I am fine now going into news later today. And just sort of trading $5 a pip. You know, I don't need to be trading my hundreds and 200s and 300s. In short, I don't need to be trading my Lambos. Okay, beautiful. Muhammad, bro, my account is 95% wash. I am in gold buy. Why are you in a gold buy, bro? We clearly have the gold cells that are sitting down here, and our buys are all the way up here, man. I have no idea why you're in a buy right now. No, not you, bro. Muhammad on YouTube. Muhammad on YouTube. Muhammad on YouTube. Okay, moves done. Moves done, right? We got the moves. Cold. Are we missing on anything? GU, EU. Lenny, maybe we can work on getting one more tab over here if it's possible, okay, buddy? I'd like to have oil up as well. Okay, this still looks good. This still looks good for the buys. Where till? Here. Why here? Because of this beautiful order block that's going to be kicking in this region. Okay? We're almost there. We have about, but again, you're probably thinking that if we're going to test out the 482 area, chances are we're going to probably go up and test out the 500, right? Is that possible? 100% it is. Okay? That's also a neckline. So let's see. I'm just going to move this up to 500. Okay? Would you change NASDAQ demand to supply? 100%, buddy. Thank you for reminding me. It's acting up as supply right now, no? We broke, retested these wicks. What do they indicate? They indicate sellers that are coming into these markets right now. Okay? One-on-ones, what are we seeing on the dirty? What is potentially about to play out on the dirty? Come on, if you guys have done session 3 with me, y'all should have an answer to that. Come on, one-on-ones. You guys know this. We usually cover the indicators on session 3. Okay. Now let's see. We currently are respecting. Death cross? No, it's not a death cross, buddy. It's a golden cross. But yes, close, close. Alright, we're potentially building into a golden cross. Okay, so when the 9 crosses the 200, moving to the upside, that's what's known as a golden cross. A death cross is just the opposite, when the 9 crosses the 200, moving downwards. Fam, please let me know. Session 3, text me in Discord whenever free. Yes, buddy, I will. Don't worry, I'll have you taken care of, okay? There are just a couple of people on the reschedule list as of right now, but in soon, like in this week, next week, I'll have it taken care of for you guys, okay? Now, they're starting to push up. Let's see if they want to flip supply back into demand. I'm done trading, guys. Legit, I'm done trading. This is what it needs to be. You know, you guys come on to these markets, you'll trade for 10, 15, 20 minutes with Forex trading, and you're done. You know, you just leave the markets, you walk out, and do what you do. Bro, what's the table on your chart? That's our Forex Scalper Pro. Okay, anyone still holding the sells on gold? We're pushing, man. We're pushing. Anyone still holding this? I want to see W's in the goddamn chat. Beautiful moves, freaking pre-news. This is intense, man. Look at that. And look at that beautiful freaking break, retest, rejection, and push to the downside. It doesn't get sweeter than this, you guys. And I'm telling y'all, there's no one on the internet that's giving you these kind of setups for free. Trust me when I say that, okay? Beautiful break, beautiful retest, beautiful rejection, and just waterfalling to the downside. Love it, love it, love it. Take out your profits, okay? Look at where we're coming into gold right now. Here, okay? My suggestion to y'all, take out partials and leave some running, trail your stop loss, okay? Because right now, this just seems like it wants to tank. This whole move in the past about 60 minutes on gold, it's a big ass move, okay? Trail your stop losses and make sure you guys are booking some profits, because these sort of moves, they don't happen every single day. Okay? Awesome, you guys. Do we have any questions? I have no reason to stay any longer on this session. I've made my money and I am going to be most likely trading FOMC as well. Do we have any questions at all? Hey, Cram, can we arrange with the space for the session, please? He told me that he can. Yes, absolutely, buddy. Don't worry. I'll have you guys taken care of. You are first on the list, Shelby. So you'll be done within this week for sure. Don't worry about it, okay? I actually need to do spaces as well. So it's you first, space second, and Muhammad third. All right? So I have you guys on the reschedule list as of now. I got you guys, okay? Quick session, pips made, job done. Thanks, Cram. You're most welcome. Listen, guys. No one is providing you guys with this value. We come here every single day, every single trading day. Pretty much every day we're on for both London and New York. Okay? It takes a lot of our time. It takes a lot of our brain power, and it takes a lot of analysis to give you guys the sort of setups that we give y'all. Okay? The only thing that we ask for in return are some success stories. Okay? Now, I understand our OGs over here, you guys always go ahead and post up, but we have a lot of lurkers that are just watching on the sidelines. You know, a lot of them are making their money, they're doing what they have to do, they're learning a lot, but they still don't post up success stories. Okay, so, excuse me. So go ahead and post up, all right? A little appreciation goes a really, really long way. I've always told you guys this, and we're still gonna do what we do, but it's nice for us to see that our community is appreciative as well, okay? Because we're out here literally overwhelming you guys with knowledge every single day, with value every single day, and with our setups, okay? And it's all free right now. Enjoy it whilst it lasts, because trust me, in the next couple of months, in the next couple of weeks, you guys are going to be hearing Forex trading every single where. That's my word to you guys, okay? We're working extremely hard. We've been at this for a year, and we've always believed in growing sustainably. You know, we've always believed in growing a quality audience than an audience that just comes on and leaves without really doing anything, because we're not here for the views, we're not here for anything of that sort. We're here to build our army of millionaires, okay? And if you want to be part of the army of millionaires, you guys have to hop in, you guys have to start physically taking these trades with us, because otherwise you're just going to be like all the other retail that just hop stream to stream to stream to stream and they don't make any money. Don't run after a strategy. What we give you guys, that's not a strategy. What we give you guys is a system. Now, this system is moldable. It can move, it can change according to the style of trader that you are. This is something that we cover on the one-on-ones as well, and it's a system that you need to pick up. The more you chase the strategy, the more you chase money, the farther it's going to run away from you. Trust me when I say that, okay? Anyway, do we have any questions at all? A little confusion. You want me to clear my chart and draw new levels each day, or should I leave last day levels intact? It's up to you, bro, but I literally, every time I sit on the chart, I have a new top down. Every time I sit on the chart. So I'm literally doing new top downs 2 or 3 times a day on all of these indices. I'm not lazy with my top downs, and I've done it so much at this point that I can literally do it in like you guys have seen me literally do it in like a minute, right? So yeah, you want to sort of get it done. How much you charge for a one-on-one? Forex setups are insane. I'm in a couple groups that traders have been saying buy gold completely, just blew them out of the water. That's what we do here, buddy. Um, Price action traders, right? Whilst the retail buy, we think like the smart money and we sell. And that's what wakes us up every single day, James. It's knowing that we can beat the money makers at their own game. I'm not even kidding. Once you get that sense of achievement in these markets, um, your whole outlook towards the markets change, and that's what we're trying to do for you guys. Okay, for the one-on-ones, I'd appreciate if you could go on to the forex chat, just say hi, just say I'm James from Zoom, and Cash FX, my partner, will message you and send the details across to you. Okay, James? All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a session. Okay, this was awesome. We got our moves super, super quick. We have no reason to stay longer, and y'all know me. I don't like long streams. All right. So, will US 30 go bearish? Yes, I do believe it will start to go bearish, but we do have some highs that we can still achieve. You see this level? This area is what's known as a psychological area, 35,500. Okay. It's chances are we're gonna have a little bit of a retracement. Maybe test out the EMA, there you go, maybe test that out, start to push back up, and then start to either level these highs or create a higher high and hit that psychological level. But I truly believe it's going to take a lot of momentum to break out of the 500. Okay, does that mean that we can't go bullish? Absolutely not, right? But when will we consider longing this market? When we happen to break out of the 500. I hope that makes sense. Okay. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna quick. Gold's flying? Nah, gold's just having a retest, man. Just a retest. Nothing more than a retest, but yes, expect gold to start pushing bullish now. Your structure buys are gonna remain the same. It's gonna be up here. Your bigger break of structure. Guys, listen, if you're gonna be trading later today with news, please be careful, man. I'm telling y'all, okay, there will be movement. Last FOMC was an absolute dud. All right, we didn't have too much movement, and yes, it is the minutes, but it is what it is. Okay, so if you guys are going to be trading, my suggestion to you all, the ones on the prop firm, switch over from your prop firm accounts and move on to demo accounts. Just it's not worth the risk, especially if you've made your pips for the day, which I assume you guys have after a session like this. Okay, secondly, can you confirm the New York market open time? Nope, it's 7 o'clock IST, 7 IST. So we either come on 15 minutes before market open, or we come on 15 minutes before a red folder release, which usually happens 60 minutes prior to market open. Okay, good rejection on gold. This is the power of supply and demand. Okay, supply flips to demand, demand flips to supply. I've been saying this for the past couple of days. If anyone tells you otherwise, they don't know shit about these markets. Okay, so don't fall into that trap. Know your levels, and we try to keep it as real as we possibly can over here at Forex. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Listen, this was an awesome session. It's up to you guys. If you guys want to get started trading with us, hop on. The people on YouTube as well. We have a link to our Discord. Go ahead and join up. We have a great community. Like I keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires, right? Everyone is extremely helpful. You'll have questions, go ahead and just message on our Discord, and our community will jump in to help you. And if they can't, either Cash, myself, Millzone, one of us founders will come in and we'll help you guys with it, okay? But our community is lovely, so I'm sure all of your questions will be taken care of, okay? And just hop on, dive in. If you're new to Forex trading, my suggestion, hop onto a demo account to begin with. Practice the things that we're doing, because there is a learning curve to what we do over here. We're aggressive scalpers, okay? I feel like someone used this as an insult on Instagram, and I'm just embracing it, man. I mean, they meant it as an insult, but for me, I'm like, wow. I'm not just a scalper, I'm an aggressive scalper. So I really, really take pride in that. And I'm going to make this part of the intro and the outro. We're aggressive scalpers. Not everyone can do what we do, guys. And hop on, learn these markets the way we do, trade these markets the way we do. We're constantly learning. And guess what? We're only going to get more and more and more aggressive in these markets, because these markets are up to us. It's our time, irrespective of what they do, we will bank our pips. All right, that's the power of TA, that's the power of price action, you guys. Thank you all so much. This was a lovely session. Please be careful. Anyone's interested in the one-on-ones, message on the general chat. Cash Effects will send you the details for the one-on-ones. There's a lot of demand and there's not too much of supply. Okay, so that means there is a wait time on the one-on-ones, but Cash will take care of that for you guys. Okay, thank you all so much. Awesome session. I will see you guys. Well, I don't think I have a session tomorrow, but Cash does have a session. So I will see you guys for New York on Friday, and Cash will see you guys for London tomorrow. Okay, take it easy, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. I'm Cram. My partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. Peace.